Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we got some more unboxing stuff. Okay, so this is another one of those hard drive cases. Okay, so this is for Filippo. It's a pillow. No, it's not. And it's all in Chinese, of course. Alright, and then we have this is a measuring tool for this is a measuring tool for a round saw. So this way you can cut straight, and this is your guide. Okay, so that's it for this one. Now if I can remember how to open this with my knife. Oh well. Oh, it's a box. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. This did not come with any instructions. This is yep, 0 instructions. Na 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 na. I can't even remember what this is I ordered. Okay. Oh, this is for like a jigsaw. You put this on, then you put your tool in here, and I think you can swing it. Yeah, so this one you would just like, okay, you put your tool on, then you swing it. Okay. I'm doing a horrible job for assembling it. Okay, so okay, I get it. Okay, you would assemble that. Put your thumb screw in there. Assemble that. Put your thumb screw in there. This doesn't. Okay, I think I got it now. So does this go on top or does it go on the bottom? He doesn't say. I got 4 screws and 1 single nut. I think I was shortchanged on nuts. This one go in here. Nope, that's too big. This one will go in there. So I think the nut is for this. Oh, okay. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's for this. Oh, that's it. Then I guess this is reversible. You can probably put it on either side. Yeah, this is too big for your drill to go into. Well, it looks like it does only go the one way. And these would be, put your screws in underneath. There's my screwdriver. Don't think it's lining up with what I wanted to do. Try that again. Well, I think I got it. No, I don't. Like the screws are short or something. Like I said, this didn't come with instruction manuals, so I'm just playing by eye now at this point. Yeah, you can tell the screwdriver's not having any of this. Hey, that took my bit. I guess that's how that works. Well, the piece doesn't move, so that's progress. Now I have to figure out what tool for this thing. So that is that. Empty box of promises. Wonder if this would work with my little baby saw. Da, da, da. Yeah, I think this might be for the bigger round saw as opposed to my baby saw. But I think it might work for my baby saw if I just keep cranking her. No, this is too... Oh, maybe I can put it in like this. I think this is how it would work. Hey, there you go. Now I gotta remember where the drill bit goes. Okay, so there's the drill. Don't want to put your hand under that. Look at that. Then you have the other one. There you go. Look at that. This 3-piece kit. This will work wonders for what I'm going to do. Ouch. Ouch. There you go. Uh-huh. So we have a soy kit. Can't wait to use it. Another big satchel. And 3 more hard drive cases for the SATA drives. What is this? Input voltage current 12. Variable speed. Oh, okay, this will be interesting. 25 milliamp battery. Wonder what I ordered. And oh, solar lights. Okay, so these are the same ones I got before. Pop them in, turn them on. Light, solar, they work. I got 30 of these to throw outside on my new sidewalk. Let's see this. This was a pretty penny. Okay, these look like Dremel bits. Okay, not a horrible case, except for that one that decided to not kowtow to the case. Rotary tool accessory kit. Of course, I have 5 million of these things and all the rotary kits I have. Now let's do the big reveal. Whoop. And of course, more mini bits. Twist drills. That's what that is. Twist drills. Drill truck. User manual. Product name. So, variable speed rotary tool. 13,000 RPM maximum. 0.3 to 4 millimeter. The chuck, the spindle, metal fuselage? That say fuselage? Yep, that says fuselage. Then the switch and then the power interface. Electric tools must be matched with sockets and the water must be controlled to avoid moisture. Sounds like you're drowning it. Operating electric tools, be sure to keep awake and do not operate under the reaction of fatigue, drugs, and alcohol. Not fatigue, drugs. It's fatigue drugs. Maybe that's your Tylenol. Power is equipped with a temperature control, overload protection, and then motorists in high temperature load state indicating it works continuously. It may cause the power supply to overheat and stop working. Wear protection mask, blah blah blah. Grinding metal, iron, copper, aluminum, stainless steel. That's basically how you do it. It's like my old Dremel. Usuario manual. Okay. User handbook. I guess that's it. Oh, let's see this power supply. Okay, so there's the box. Well, it doesn't look like I can replace any of it. Or at least it got Canadian American plug. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, so there's a light. That was set to control on maximum. I had just turned it off. Alright. Looks like an old rubber band. Alright. That's the switch, that's the power, that's the chuck. Okay, it does look a lot smaller than I expected. Oh, that's all I can get. Is it good enough for the drill bit I'm using? It is. Okay, so well, maybe we'll put this in. I'm already here. Where is the key? Key doesn't want to really go tight. Okay, now the reason I bought this is to see if it fits in this. Oh yeah, it fits. It's way too damn small for that. This is too small. This is too big. Even if you take this out, it's still too big. This can't adjust. That definitely can't fit. Oh, that was a big disappointment. Anyway, well, we'll just see if it works. Well, the on and off switch works. It's a lot quieter than my drill. Let's see if I can make a hole. It does seem to vibrate a lot. My drill has better control. I wonder. It still does that little whir. So, let's see. This is more like an engraving tool. Make sure you wear an eye protection. Sounds like a bad TV station reception. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there is some resonating on that. So, this don't fit in there. But I could make it fit if I got some adapters. So we're gonna have to see. Well, this is 1.5. Nope, 1.25 inch. So if I bought a bigger one, it would have to be 1.5. So it's a whole 1/4 inch smaller. Well, this was a good idea. That didn't work out. Don't think I have anything else that would take this. This thing's too small to take anything. Oh well. Where is my vacuum? What is it too small for this? Yes. Same thing. 1.5 inch diameter. Oh well. Live and learn. Sometimes Temu's not the greatest. Now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna open this up. Look at that plastic. I might have to drill holes in these because these drives do get pretty warm after doing 4 terabytes of data transfer. These mount points are there. That just slides in like that, and then you just put this on top, and then you just slide it into place. And that's that. Or USB 3.0. Easy to get those two mixed up. It's just USB 3 something. These points look like something else I've been trying to do. You're not it. You are it. They're just slightly offset. Could make an array out of these things being $5 a piece. These are $5 a piece too, but you get the whole SATA experience except the lights. There's no lights on them. This one has a light. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep sharing.